honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, I have here a very small Valentine's Day haul video for you guys. I went to Walmart, I went to Dollar Tree, and I also stopped by Target to pick up some of these really fun things that I'm going to show you. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is the stuff that I got at Dollar Tree. So I absolutely love these beautiful Valentine's Day signs that they had. I did not want to get any signs because I'm trying to be a little bit I don't want to buy too many things, but I saw these signs and I just had to get them. I thought they were just so cute. So these are resemble little love books, and they're like little stacked up little books, and they're just so cute. I love this decoration. So adorable, isn't it? So I got two of these. I got this one, which is absolutely adorable, and then I got this one, which I absolutely love. I thought these were just so adorable. I could not like leave these behind. I just couldn't. I thought they were just absolutely beautiful. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you is these sponges that I got. I thought these were just perfect for a nice little Valentine's Day gift. So I picked up a whole bunch of these sponges. I picked up 4. The ones that say, I picked up ones that says X and O's, and then the other one says love you. These are perfect for Valentine's Day. I thought they were absolutely amazing. I actually regret not getting 2 more of these. Maybe I'll go back and hopefully find more of these. I don't know, because they were really selling out quickly. But these are just so cute, guys. And they're just like bath sponges. They're so perfect for a little goodie bag that you want to put together for your friends or family for Valentine's Day. And they're really affordable. So these are just so cute. I love them. If you see these, make sure you pick these up. These are just absolutely adorable. Okay, and then I also picked up these nail files, which I thought they were also very adorable. Perfect for, again, another simple little goodie bag for Valentine's Day. This is just so cute. So these are nail files, and they're shaped as hearts. There's 3 in each one. One says hello gorgeous. This one has some really pretty floral design, and this one says X and O's. I thought these were perfect for Valentine's Day. So I am planning to put together a nice little I don't want to say anything because I want you guys to come back, but we will be working on putting together a nice little Valentine's Day gift using these things. Okay, so I can't wait to show you guys. I'm really excited to put these together. Okay, then I picked up these really fun mushroom, little mini foam mushrooms. I thought these were just so cute. These were actually in the Easter section, but I thought that these would be perfect to use for Valentine's Day. I love the pink. I thought it was awesome. They also had them in blue and in yellow, I think mint, and I believe maybe purple. But I love the pink one. I think the pink one was perfect for a little Valentine's Day little project that we are going to put together. So I picked up 2 of these. And then I picked up these really yummy marshmallow peeps. These are so cute, aren't they? I love these little pink ones. All right. Okay. I picked up another one of these stickers because I found these freaking adorable kissing booth signs. I am obsessed with these signs. Look how cute these signs are, guys. I just fell in love when I saw these signs. I picked up a few of these. We are going to put together a nice little project using these adorable signs. I just cannot wait to show you guys. But look how freaking adorable these are. I just cannot. I mean, look how cute these are. I love them. So I picked up, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I picked up 5 of these. And I'm very excited to show you guys what we're going to be doing with these. I love them. Love them. And I also picked up, that's why I picked up this sticker set, because it kind of matches these hearts. So I'm going to kind of use these stickers to embellish these beautiful kissing booths. And I just can't wait. I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm really excited to do this. All right. That is what I got at the Dollar Tree. I also picked up a few things for Easter. I was already there and I saw these and I thought these would be perfect. So I just grabbed them. I grabbed these really cute little bunnies. I grabbed the pink one, I grabbed the purple one, and I grabbed a blue one. I thought these would be perfect for Easter. I didn't want to wait. I was already there and I figured why not. I also picked up these really fun wooden tags that are like Easter little trucks. Super cute. I thought these were adorable to use as little gift tags. And then I picked up this really fun Easter bunny tray, which I thought it was amazing. This actually cost $5, but I thought these were just so cute to put like in a little corner with some Easter goodies. I love them. So I picked up this really fun Easter tray. As you can see there, that's how it looks put together. So cute, isn't it? I love it. I love it. Okay, perfect. All right, that is for Dollar Tree. I stopped by Walmart really quickly and I didn't really see any decorations that I really liked, but I did pick up this really fun marshmallow treat. I love that it was individually wrapped, which is what I really loved about. So I picked this one up. We're going to use these in one of our projects. I already know what I'm going to do. These are little marshmallow treats and it has the X and O's for Valentine's Day. And I love that they are wrapped individually. So this is perfect to put in a little goodie bag. All right. Okay, and then the last thing I want to show you is what I picked up in Target. Oh my goodness. I found these love bottles and I fell in love with these bottles. Look how adorable these bottles are. I saw these and I picked up a whole bunch of them because I already knew I had a project in my mind that I want to use these bottles for. So I picked up 3 of these. Actually, I picked up 4. And they were only $1 each one, which I thought was perfect. And I'm going to be using these as a nice little gift for my friends. And I am going to show you guys how we're going to put this together. So I cannot wait to show you. All right, my loves. And that is all I have to show you. I really did not buy a lot of things, as you can see. I do have a lot of stuff upstairs that I can use. So I was trying to be a little bit conscious about spending money on Valentine's Day stuff when I already have. So I would like for you guys to subscribe to my channel. I would like for you guys to give me a thumbs up. I would love for you to return back, and I would love for you to enjoy watching me make some really fun projects using all these lovely goodies that we have here. We are going to start the Valentine's Day series very, very soon. I'm super excited. I think it's about time we start going back to our fun little DIY projects, and I am very excited to start that with you guys soon, okay? So please thumbs up, please subscribe. That would really help me a lot with bringing in more traffic to my channel, and I would love to have more subscribers stop by. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for your love. Bye, honey bunnies.